Welcome to the Menumium step-by-step tutorial series. In today's session, we'll learn all about the Menumium's delivery management system. Before starting this setup, make sure you've already completed the business setup and food setup, as these are the mandatory first steps. So, let's begin. Now head over to User Management. Inside, you'll see a section called Delivery Management. From there, select Add New Delivery Man. Now, let's set up some basic details for your delivery man. Fill in the name, phone, email, maximum order limit, branch, and address. Add a profile image. Then select an ID type. Enter the ID number and upload the ID photo. Click Save and Continue, and a new delivery man will instantly appear on your list. You can view all the details you just entered right here. When you open the delivery man list, you'll see every delivery man you've added. On the top right, there are two handy buttons, one for trash and another to add a new delivery man. Right after that, you'll notice an analytics section that highlights the total delivery men, how many are active, engaged, and free. There's also a search bar to quickly look up delivery men by name, and at the bottom, you'll find all the details of each delivery man, including their name, ID, contact info, and order limit. Under Current Order Info, you'll notice the assigned orders count is set to 0, since we haven't assigned him any yet. Beside it is a status toggle that lets you quickly enable or disable availability. Now, there are two important controls here. The I button, which gives you a quick snapshot of the delivery man, including phone, email, joining date, address, and total assigned orders. You'll also see options to edit or view details. The three dots menu, which includes those same options, plus extra ones like assign order and move to trash. When you click View Details, the delivery man's full profile will open. At the top right, you'll see a trash button. Clicking it moves the delivery man to trash, but you can restore him later if needed. Next to it, there's also an Edit button. Below that, you'll find a status toggle along with all of the delivery man's personal details. Next is the Order Analytics section, which shows the total number of assigned, ongoing, delivered, and returned orders. At the bottom, there's an order list with a search bar to find orders by ID, date, or keywords. On the right, you'll see options to export data or use the filter tool. When you click the Edit button, you'll see the page showing all the basic information regarding your delivery man. From here, you can update any details or even reset everything if needed. Once done, click Save to continue. You can also assign new orders right away from here. Simply click, select an order, and press Assign Order. After reloading, the assigned order list will be updated. The three-dot menu also includes Move to Trash. Clicking this will move the delivery man to trash. Once you move the delivery man to trash, you can go to View Trash to manage it. From there, you have two choices: delete the delivery man permanently or send the delivery man back to the main list. Let's send him back. Now the delivery man is restored and the trash is empty again. You can also assign orders to delivery men directly from the order list. Go to Order Management, open Online Orders, and click on All Order List. From here, select the three dots beside any order and choose View Details. Once you click on it, a new page will appear showing all the details of the ordered items along with their current status. You'll find a button named Assign Delivery Man. Once you click it, a form will pop up where you can select a delivery man. After you choose one, his details like name, phone, and email will appear automatically. You may also leave a comment if needed. Finally, click Assign. That's it. The order is now assigned. Now head back to the delivery man list. You'll notice the current order info has been updated because this delivery man now has multiple orders assigned. Click on the eye icon. It shows that he's handling 3 orders. You can see the full list of orders. Below, all ongoing assigned orders are listed with their details. If you open View Details, you'll see the order analytics updated. You can also use the filter option to sort the list by different order statuses. From the dashboard, you can view a complete summary and manage all delivery operations in one place. You'll see order statistics for ongoing, assigned, and delivered orders, as well as delivery man statistics showing who's active, engaged, or free. Thank you for following along. If you have any questions, feel free to contact Menumium support. Happy serving!